So I have the Google TV streamer and I'll be showing you how to disable developer options. So if you have developer options enabled on this Google TV streamer and you no longer want it enabled, you can turn it off or disable it by going to the top right corner and select all settings. And then scroll down to system, select that. Under system, if you have developer options enabled, you can scroll and you'll find developer options. So what you want to do now here is select that, and then you have the option to toggle off developer options, and that's going to disable developer options. So now when you go back, that option will disappear. And that's basically how to disable developer options on your Google TV streamer. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and even subscribe for more tips. And I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.